Alright, just giving you a real quick run through of the Adrift Hotel here in Long Beach, Washington. Coming this way, I believe it's two double beds or 2 queen beds. But we'll start over with the bathroom here. Oh, the fan is loud, but anyway. Toilet towels, same stuff that we saw at the Ashore Hotel in Seaside. Turn that off because it's kind of loud. Obligatory awkward wave in the mirror there. The same bathrobes as the other place as well. Small sink with a lot of the same amenities. Ice bucket, water glasses, mini fridge as can be expected. There's no coffee maker here, but there is free coffee and ice cold water in the lobby. Couple of beds. The same alarm clock as the other place with the USB and wall chargers, charging all your stuff, as well as earplugs for me to keep the noise out overnight. Yes, Rude, that's right. You know what I'm talking about. And then the last thing I just want to show you is, it is literally steps to the beach, and that is our view here from the Adrift Hotel in Long Beach, Washington.